again, just when you think off-roaders couldn't get any crazier, China drops a monster on us. So check this out. Dongfeng Warrior just revealed their new off-road beast, the Warrior M817. And yeah, this thing is no joke. It's basically a military truck with luxury tech and over 700 horsepower under the hood. It recently showed up in China's Ministry of Industry docks, and the details are wild. Let's start with the size. The M817 is over 5.1 meters long, almost 2 meters wide, and close to 1.92 meters tall if you go for the air suspension version. To put that into perspective, it's bigger than a Toyota Land Cruiser 300. And the wheelbase? Over 3 meters. That means more space inside and better stability when you're bouncing around off-road. Now here's where it gets serious. Underneath, this thing runs on a plug-in hybrid setup with more than 520 kilowatts, which is over 700 horsepower. Yeah, 700. That's supercar-level power in a full-size SUV. And it's not just raw power, the hybrid system is smart too. You get EV-only driving for the city, a range-extending mode for low-speed cruising, and a full hybrid mode for max power when you're climbing rocks or ripping through dirt trails. And get this, it's even tuned for high altitudes. The engine is certified by China's top auto engineering group to handle thin air in mountain regions. So yeah, it's not just built for looks. Speaking of looks, it's got real Hummer vibes. Big shoulders, squared off edges, and thick black cladding all around. Sharp LED headlights, a lit up grille, and a modern design that avoids that whole retro revival trend. It's bold, it's aggressive. It looks like something you'd see in a science fiction movie. Now, let's talk features. The M817 comes in both city and off-road versions. The off-road model has nitrogen shock absorbers, anti-detachment rims, and chunky all-terrain tires. There's also a fancy adjustable air suspension system that can raise the body by 150 millimeters or drop it by 45 millimeters to help you squeeze into parking garages. It even has rear wheel steering to help with tight turns. Oh, and Dongfeng is making this thing super customizable from the factory. They've got this whole Warrior off-road customization platform, so you can trick out your ride with factory-made accessories like special headlights, top trims, and electric side steps. There's even an optional trailer hitch, so yeah, this thing's ready to tow, camp, or crawl. Inside, we'll have to wait a bit to see the full interior and color options. But Dongfeng's dropping the full reveal at the Greater Bay Area Auto Show on May 31st. So, more to come on that. One last thing. This is one of the first off-roaders to come with Huawei's Qiankun ADS 4.0 autonomous driving tech. That means it's not just brawny, it's smart too. No word yet if it's coming to North America, but if it does, watch out. This thing could shake up the whole off-road SUV game. Alright, that's it for now. If you like hearing about crazy new trucks and SUVs like this, hit subscribe, give us a like, and we'll keep bringing you the latest. Catch you in the next one.